Hi everyone, this is Pramita here, and today I'm here to do a flip or show and tell of the new kits in my shop. So I had talked about launching a few digital kits in my shop, I think about a week or two before, but there has been an issue with one of the kits, so I am not listing that at all in my shop right now. So I'll give you an update when, and I need to change a few things in the kit, let's say, and then when I do change those, then I'm going to do a flip, and then there's going to be the listing information. So right now there's going to be 4 new digitals in my shop. So all of them are collage papers. Let me be clear from the very beginning. These are not full kits, but you can make them work into full kits. So the first kit that I'm going to share is the 2-page collage kits that are usually in my shop. So these are very high quality images that you can see, and what I've done is I have made them in such a way so that you can fold them in a page like this, fold them likewise and make them in a page, okay, or you can make them as a traveler's notebook size. You'll get the images, and if you like, then you can trim these boxes to make your tags or collage bases, or even if you want to make them into journal cards, so you can do that because they are already lined and it's easy to cut down in this way. So that is one of the reasons why I have used this vintage French label typography and images on them. So basically they are botanical images, so birds and bees and florals. So this is going to be botanical digital collage number 4 because I already have 3 in my shop. So they are very cohesive to each other. So if you buy them all together, they're going to work well. If you buy them separately, no worries, you can match them with any kits basically. So this is the first page and this is the second page. I love this page, and this has a 2-tone color. Like if you want, you can use them in your traveler's notebook size like this. So you have a beautiful page. I'm sorry about the glare because I'm doing it in my or at my dining table because my workspace is a mess right now. I have been working constantly on my design team projects, and if I want to do this flip over there, then it's going to be a huge mess cleanup, so I can't do it there. So I have chosen to do it here. So this is how it looks. And on the other hand, if you want to make small booklets, you can fold these, cut them down. These are some stamps that I've used, some bouquets. These are wax seals, 4 wax seals, you can say, some tiny image stamps, little birdie over here, and there's a bunch of flowers. So if you want, you can cut this down. And this is again one of my personal ephemera. This is also a stamp that I have in my stash from Vintage Letters. So you can make this into a small journaling card. So there's lots of possibilities. So that was the idea, giving you a flexible paper. Because what I have come across in my journal making journey is sometimes you need some items like this so that it complements your main kit. So it's not typically associated with a certain kind. You can make them work with a bird kit or a butterfly kit or a floral kit or even a botanical kit. So you can work them down. And these are a little bit on the grungier side because that's what I like a little bit sometimes. I hope I'll do a less grungy set next time when I'm working. So this is how the 2 pages look. And then what I've done is I have reduced them to a page. Now I am going to ask you a question. Some people cannot or have difficulty, in reducing the size of the images. So if you want, then I can put on an add-on kit of all the digitals that I have. I mean the digital collage sheets, the 2-page kits that I have, and reduce them into 4 to a page and 2 to a page. That's the best you can get. So I can do that. So there will be about 4 to a page. That means you get one sheet, and 2 to a page, that means you get 2 sheets. So they're going to be 3-page kit basically, and it's going to be very nominal anyways. So if you are interested in me doing that, then I can do and list them in the shop, but I'll have to check that maybe after a week or so, because as you can see, my hand is still healing and I'm not in a good position to do that sort of work. So this is how it looks when you reduce it. This is like 4 to a page. So this is the 4 to a page size. So this is also very nice. You can trim them off, like you can make tags, you can make journal cards. See how pretty they look without adding too much bulk, because when you're doing a collage, you are adding bulk to the page. So this is something which I have done, which is not going to add bulk to your page, yet it's going to look pretty. So this is how the second page looks. So these are the 2 pages, and this is 2 to a page. So this was like this. So I have printed that out. So if you people are interested, because I know some of you have purchased these kits from me, so if you're interested, I'm just going to put a mini kit listing sort of thing. It'll be a 3-page kit, no fuss. So maybe I'm going to price it at $2 or something like that, just for the sake of reducing this, or maybe $1.50. So you'll get a 3-page kit of 2 to a page. So there are 4 kits, so you'll get around it depends on the number of sheets actually. So I'll work the math out, and if anybody is interested, or if any people are interested, then please comment me below, or you can message me on Etsy anyways, so I can work that out too. So that is going to be if that kit comes out, then that's going to be a single kit consisting of all the 4 2-page digital collage kits that I have. So this is going to be vintage digital collage kit number 4. So I already have 3 kits listed, and this is going to be 4. And then what I did was I worked on my digital, this is the add-on papers for the digital kit number 2. So number 3, there was an issue with number 3, add-on collage papers, so I'm not listing that at all. There will be an entire change in that paper kit, and then I will decide. So right now this is add-on papers for the kit number 2. So I'll just go through this. Again, this is a 5-page kit. So you have elements from the kit. So this is the first page. This is the second page, and these are very versatile. As I said, if you want, you can fold them like this. You can make them into journal pages like so. You can cut them into tags, journal cards, whatever. And this is all the work is done for you basically. You just need to cut them down according to your desire. So this is the second page. So I can show you how you can use them. So this is the second page, and if you want a traveler's notebook size, because personally I do prefer a traveler's notebook size, and just look how pretty they are. So you get a traveler's notebook size journal, and if you can print them front and back, I'll show you. I have added 3 extra background or masterboard kind of papers for you to play with. So you can do your own collages with this. You can use them as background for different images. I wish I could show you. I don't have any journal cards over here, and they work beautifully. So if you want, you can just put a journal card and in the background. The ATC ones, they work best with these. Even the journal tags, you can cut a tag from here, and then you can add an image of a botanical image. So the base collage is done for you. So this is how it's looking. So you get 3 of these blankish kind of sheets. So this is the first one, the second one, this is just a stash builder kind of thing, you know. You can use them in many ways. So this is the third one. So you get 5 sheets, and this is going to be add-on vintage botanical kit 2. So this is the add-on for kit number 2. So that's that. And then what I did was I started working on masterboards, you know. I have used some elements from my digital kits and some from, you know, the paybook pages, some vintage receipts, tea-dyed papers, some blankish papers. So there are lots of things that's going on. So these kits are 8-page kits, mind you. These are 8-page kits, and you get a ton of collaged pages like this. I'm totally sorry, I apologize. There's a festival going on today. I shouldn't have been doing this filming, but you know, evenings are more weird and more noisy, so I would not be able to do this at all. And you know, since I'm going to list these by when you see this video, it's going to be listed, that's for sure. And I just had my 2nd anniversary sale in my shop, and right now only the digital papers are on sale. So if you are interested, please go pick them up, because I don't know how long I'm going to put them on sale for. So because I can't craft that well right now, so I thought I'm going to give you a kind of opportunity to pick up these, create something, tag me on Instagram, tag me on you know, Facebook, wherever. I will be there to, you know, be able to see them. So kindly do that, and I'll be more than happy to see them put to work, because I can't do this right now. So I would love to see people do this. So these are masterboard kind of collages, and they have 8 sheets, and these are very high quality sheets that I tell you. Some do have a little bit of colors like red and green, so that's totally up to you. If you want, you can cover them up. This is another one. Some vintage receipts, some vintage book pages. These are some scraps. So there are 8 sheets. This is one of my favorite, you know. All sorts of tea-dyed grungy papers that I've used up. Some vintage music paper. Some receipts. So you can see. This is another one. This is a part of a vintage wallpaper. So you can use them in many ways. Once you start, you know, having them in your stash, you'll be able to come up with something or the other, you'll see. So if you want, you can make tags, because, you know, these are already sized for you. So if you want, you can make a tag and then add a botanical image. This reduces the work so much, mind you. I have been benefited from them, and I thought that I should be sharing these with you people. So this is how it looks. So these are 8-page kits. The masterboard kits are 8-page kits, and the digital add-ons are, remember the word add-on. So when you are buying an add-on kit, you get 5 pages. When you're buying a Masterboard neutral collage set, sorry guys. So when you're buying a Masterboard neutral background set, you are going to get 8 sheets. And this is another Masterboard that I have done. So again, these are very neutral. They work with all sorts of kits. They are excellent for backgrounds, for your tags, journal cards, pockets, anything. So this is the second one. This is the second kit basically. Sorry. So this is another one. So as you can see, these are very neutral kind of thing, and this is, I think, the second kit. You'll get to see all of the pages when you buy them. And so there are going to be 4 listings, one for vintage botanical collage kit. This one, you will not get the smaller ones, smaller sizes. That's what I have done to show you the reduced image. So this is going to be 1 page, this is the other page, so 2 page for that. This is a 5-page add-on botanical for kit number 2, so you get that. And these are some Masterboard collages that I have done, so you get 2 of these with 8 pages. So 8-page Masterboard kits, 5-page add-on kit, and 2-page digital collage vintage style. So this is kit number 4. So I'm going to do the listing. When you see this, it's going to be listed, and all the digitals are on a discount right now, because as you can see, I can't do the crafting right now. So I thought, if anybody else wants to enjoy these, just give them a, have a good time, just enjoy them, that's all. So that was the purpose behind this show and tell. And if you are interested in getting a reduced size, then please tell me. I will try and come out with an add-on reduced image size kit. That will take a week or so maybe, because I have to work on that. My husband has to work on that. So we'll give it a week's time, and then probably, if anybody is interested. If you're not interested, then okay, that's fine by me. I'll work on some other things. So that's that, and bye for now. Have a great day, and please go and visit my shop. I'll put all the links in the description box below. If you have not yet subscribed, then please subscribe, share and comment, and visit my shop. Thank you.